My name is Arjun and I am here to present you a brief introduction of what is arithmetic progression. Basically, before starting arithmetic progression, look at that four series. Series number 1, the number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then series number 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the series number 3, 1, 5, 9, 13. And series number 4, the number is 3, 5, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4. So in this all of four series, we find which series are in arithmetic progression and which series are not in arithmetic progression. Okay, so look at first series 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So what will be the difference between 9 and 11? That comes to be 2. And what is the difference between 7 and 5? That comes to be 2. And what is the difference between 3 and 1? That comes to be 2. Similarly, in second series, the difference is 2, 2, 2. And similarly, in third series, the difference is 3, 3. Sorry, the difference comes to be 4, 4, and 4. So in this three series, we can easily see there is a common difference between two consecutive number which is always equal. So this is the property of arithmetic progression. If we look at into fourth series, the difference comes out to be 2, difference comes out to be 2, difference comes out to be 1. So this series is not arithmetic progression because difference between two consecutive number is not equal to a constant number, that is common difference. So I think you have got an idea of what is arithmetic progression. So now we are going to find what is the nth terms in arithmetic progression. So let the first terms of arithmetic progression is a and common difference between two consecutive number is d. So we can write the series. This is the series a plus b, a plus 2d, because we have to take a common difference which is always equal, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So nth term. So what is the nth terms? So before finding nth terms, look at series number 1, that is first terms. First term is a. Can we write plus 1 minus 1 into d, because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, so 0 into d, that comes to be 0, so first terms will be same at that things. Okay, what is the second terms? What is the second term? Second terms will be equal to a plus. Can we write d is equal to 2 minus 1 into d? Okay. Similarly, third term, a plus 1, 2, 3 minus 1 into d. That also comes to equal to 2d. So what is the nth terms? If we write a plus 1 first terms, 1 comes, second terms, 2 comes, third terms, 3 comes, and 1 is always coming. So what is the nth terms? A plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for arithmetic progression for nth term. This is nth terms. This can be written as generalized way. Okay. So now we are going to find what is the series of this arithmetic progression. Okay. So this series goes to nth terms, up to goes to nth terms. So what is the nth terms? A plus n minus 1 into d. So now we are going to find what is the sum of this arithmetic progression. So sum of SA is equal to a plus b plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d here we can say that a comes out to be nth times. A 1, 2, 2 times a, 3 times a, 4 times a, and nth times a. So we can write n a plus how many times d comes? How many times d comes? In first terms d was not appear. So in second term d appear, third term 2d appear, second term 2d appear, third term 3d appear, and nth terms n minus 1 into d appear. So we can write d plus 2d plus 3d and up to n minus 1 into d. So we can take common n a plus, we can take d as a common. So after taking d as a common, the series goes to n minus 1. Okay. So now we are calculating what is the sum of that n minus 1 series. So we know the formula of series 1 plus 2 plus n is equal, the sum of that series, sum of 1 plus 2 up to n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can see in this series, put n instead of n minus 1. Okay, put instead of n minus 1, put n. Okay, so now we are going to put n a is equal to n a plus here b. What is the put n minus 1 instead of n minus 1 into n minus 1 into n divided by 2. So we can roughly, so what is the formula comes out to be? Formula comes out to be n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is sum of arithmetic progression. This is the formula. This is the formula. So we can write the formula. Formula is, so we can write the formula of n terms is s is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here the n is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference between two consecutive number, and n will be number of terms. Okay, thank you.